2021, we have Oikokatu 11 staircase here in Helsinki, Kone. And this residential building dates back to the early 20th century, also the exact elevation. But the elevators were added in 1956 in 2 of the 4 staircases here. And then the other one is the staircase which we have just filmed. Also this residential building even won a prize of the best garden in 1999.
Yeah.
And it's still found outside the building, you can see it there. Yeah, so the serial number is H6328, it's in Swedish and Finnish as well, just like staircase A, and it will be inspected in 2003. But staircase A is a bit more narrow. Yeah, it's narrower. That was changed sometime in the 1990s.
Yeah.
That metal plate is original staircase A. So of course this is a bit different.
Yeah.
And the biggest difference is that the staircase A is like a narrow one.
Yeah.
But this is more like quadratic. This is like where they managed to fit the elevator, so this is where they did it in a different way.
Yeah.
But the staircase is C and D, and they apparently couldn't fit it. And also there are 4 floors, so
Yeah.
there was no proper place for it to be built in 1956. That's why they didn't build it there. But
Yeah.
also that they only have 4 floors. But of course, this still could have had an elevator.
Yeah.
Let's do a second silent ride.
Dispatchpakke that maintained by Kone.
Dark green.
Same here.
Also in Swedish and Finnish, just as it should be. I found out that, well, what this combination of dark green and wood is like the Finnish forest.
Yeah.
Same colors. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching.
That's